Continuing to wind down the first official weekend of December 8th, 2024, seeing haze here at 16:32. So I'm coming to you yet again from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals, Barents on Main and milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. S773 81 of the 8th is underway now with the 2304 to lead it with 2270 in the middle and dash 9 2585 third. Looks like Locomotives will be running in the 3x1 configuration this time by, and rear DPU to help out will be the new 3377. That was previously GECX nee-BNSF 4517. Let's check them out on the roll by as we'll now head northbound onto the CN's Superior Submain and on its way up to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada, as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. We are already about 12 minutes past sunset now. Brakes are applied. Looks like a temporary pause for the moment. And signal indications have come up. North Y as the 2304 has just now sounded the forward signal again and is restarting. GPU now of the new 3377. Bring up the last of the S773 81 of the 8th. Still helps out shove the 102 loads. The total axle for this roll by is 432. GPU light is on for the new 3377. And that's going to do it for today's S773 81 of the 8th. And we'll do it for the 2304, 2270, 2585, and the new 3377. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin, to wrap up the first weekend of the final month of 2024. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great night. I hope you've enjoyed a good weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.